Yo, SOXL is very high right now. If you look at the historical pattern of SOXL, you'll see that leveraged bets on semiconductors are often popping out after a huge spike. So usually there's a build and then there's a huge spike and then it tumbles. And that's happened historically over the last 5, 7, 10 years with SOXL. And right now, SOXL is above $90. And last year, like I remember late summer, September, I was predicting $90 for SOXL. And sometimes I was thinking maybe it could hit 110, 120. But $90, where it's past $90 now, I think it's at 100. Past 90 really seems like it's at a point where it could easily just crash. And certainly the spike it's at right now is historically, when you look at the chart, it usually crashes after the kind of spike it's having right now. And at the same time, we have AI is getting really dumb right now because the AI providers cannot sustain the intelligence that their models have. When you look at ChatGPT, Claude Code, Claude Chat, Grok, they're all really dumb now, and they have all sorts of excuses for why they're dumb, like political correctness, whatever it is. But really, they can't keep the funding going. They've been overfunded for years, and their actual amount of funding they can realistically sustain in the long term is enough funding for the models to be kind of dumb, still kind of usable, but very frustrating to use when you're used to the overfunded version of the model. And at this point, the overfunded versions don't really even exist, also known as the enshittification of technology.